Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Disha Agrawal. I am a student of Government College of Education, Aguram. So here I am presenting of class 8. My subject is physical science and my topic is contact force or force. So after this, first of all, I want to ask you some basic questions to your previous knowledge. So anyone tell me how we can divide whether an object is moving faster than the object? How can we decide whether an object is moving faster than the other? Yes? Anyone? By the speed. Very good. Now, what does the distance moved by an object in unit time indicate? What does the distance moved by an object is unit time indicates? Yes, you object the distance by the speed. What is the SI unit of speed? Anyone tell me? The SI unit of speed is meter per second, or we can write this meter per second. What make an object slow down or go faster or change its direction of motion? By applying force. Very good. So, anybody knows what do you mean by force? Anyone tell me? No? Okay, so let's look at the blackboard. So students, today we will study about force or concept of force. So in science, a push or pull of an object is called a force. Got it? Thus we can say that the motion imparted the object was due to the action of a force. When does a force come into play? When does a force come into play? Let us find out. Suppose a man is standing behind a car. Suppose a man is standing behind a car, but he is still stand. So, will a car move due to his presence? Will the car move due to his presence? No, because he is standing by the road. So, when we car moving? Anyone tell me? The person pushed the car, then he applied force. Then this car moved on the road. Okay. Now both the girl appears to push each other. While the pair of girls are trying to pull each other and push each other, she applied force. Now similarly, give another example. Similarly, the cow and the man appear to pull each other. For this example, we can infer that at least two objects must interact for a force to come into play. Then an interact of one object with another object result it is a force between the two objects. So force applied on an object in the same direction add to one another. It is called exploring force. So we have causes of force. A force may make an object move from rest. A force may change the speed of an object if it is moving. Now, a force may change the direction of motion of an object. A force may bring about a change in the shape of an object. So, contact force. First we see force. Second, exploring force. Causes of force. Now we introduce contact force. First, the contact force. A force arises due to interact between two objects. A force arises. The interact between two objects is called a contact force. The contact force may be a two type. Contact force may be two type. First is muscular force or second is friction force. So, the muscular force. Muscular force is that how can you push or pull a book lying on a table without touching it? How can you push or pull a book lying on a table without touching it? No? Okay. We can push or lift the book lying in a table with touching. With touch. This touch is called a muscular force. This touch is called a muscular force. Now, second, friction. Friction force. Look at the friction force. Recall some of your experience a ball rolling along the ground gradually. Slow down. A ball rolling around slow down on the ground. So finally come to rest when we stop the pedal. When we stop toy with the pedal, and when we stop a bicycle, it gradually slow down and finally comes to a stop. This force is called a friction force. The force responsible for change the state of motion of object in all these examples is the force of friction. It is the force of friction between the surface of the ball and the ground that brings the moving ball to the rest. So student understood all the such type of forces. Okay, so write down in your notebook. I will give you homework. So write down your homework in your notebook. What is force and types of force? Second, what is friction? Third is give any two example. Go first. Okay, student. So we will after in this class we will meet tomorrow. So tomorrow I will check your homework. Okay, thank you.